Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can assign a role to a team member in Microsoft Teams. So we're doing this from the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and this is only going to work if you've connected your Microsoft Teams account to a Microsoft 365 account. Go ahead and visit the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and sign in with the admin account. You get this column on the left, select the roles option, and then go through the list of roles that are listed here. Select the role that you want to assign to a user and then click Assign Admin at the top. You're going to get this panel on the right, click the plus button, enter the name or the email for the team member that you want to assign this role to, and then click Save. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.